We're going to cook the Franco painting. You can see we're hanging some wallpaper. Chad, Anthony, and Gary, who is learning on wallpaper. So we're using a paste machine. So here's a quick video on pulling wallpaper through a machine with a pattern. So it can get tricky. So this is our paper, and we know that this is the pattern we need, and right above that I need like 1.5 inches. So I do is I just mark that with the razor blade, because I know that's my flap, and then I'll pull this paper through, and when this razor hits here, I'll cut this piece and then reset my counter and then pull the paper. So that's how I learned how to pull a pattern through a paste machine. You have to find that pattern below. Booking table makes it a little bit trickier because you have to bend over. So it's one of the benefits of not using a booking table if you have a pattern like that. So just finding that pattern, and once you find it, mark the top where you need, pull it through, make sure you have your counter reset your counter every time. Sharp blade every single time you're cutting, and then pull it through, book it, pull on the next one. Quick tip on booking and pulling paper through a paste machine with a pattern. If you got questions on wallpaper installations, give us a call. Love to see how we can help you love the space you're in with commercial wallpaper installation.